Hey everybody, this is the Amazing Garrett Show. I'm Garrett. Today I will be catching you up on what I have done for the Trumpeter Bismarck. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I got done. Alright everybody, so it was kind of shaping up to be a really short issue. So I decided to go ahead and kind of just give you guys an overview. So the next video was supposed to be, the next part in me assembling this Bismarck, but it was just putting the support pieces into the main plastic hull here. So it's just these pieces, nothing too fancy or crazy, but that's kind of what it's looking like. Alright, so here is the second part of what I've done. So the main deck comes in this single piece. And what I had done is I had found a light gray that I'm going to use for the main body of the Bismarck. And I sprayed over the entire piece. Here pretty soon we're gonna fade out, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use for the deck planking. But this just gives you an idea of the gray. That it looks almost white with this camera, but so we'll go ahead and fade out, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do on top of that. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do for the decking on the Bismarck. As you can see, great detail work. It's going to be super detailed with all the wood, the different grains within the deck, like it was cut from different style trees, brought down there. Got to give a big shout out. It's scaledex.com. It's where I picked it up at. I will give them a link in the description below. I think this is just going to take my model to the next level. I think it looks fantastic. Couldn't be more happy with the product they gave me. So go check them out. Give them some love and see if they can help you out on your build. See if they've got the ship that you've made or are planning on making. I'm going to flip this around real quick. Alright, so give them a shout out. There's their Facebook page. And again, this is for my Bismarck. So it's actually, so you can see premium quality laser cut wood. I took a little piece off to kind of see what kind of glue I was going to need. And I've got the glue. I'm all ready to go. I just need for the main part that I showed you a little earlier. I just need for it to dry. And then this will be probably part 3, me putting it on there and showing that. But this is just the overview of it. Again, I'm very happy that I decided to go with this. So yeah, so that's about wraps that up. Alright everybody, so that caught you up on what I've done for the Bismarck today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Here pretty soon we're going to be moving into doing actually more labor intensive parts of the build. I'm going to build each part of the superstructure separately because I want to paint it as I go. Got a lot of photo etch pieces in the kit, so I want to make sure that they're all ship gray. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a like, comment, and please subscribe. This has been the Amazing Garrett Show. I'm Garrett, and I hope to see you guys later.